Hi guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm showing off an improvement on how to change thread colors on a design within Wilcom for a design proof. So first you're going to go ahead and open up your embroidery file that you're looking to change the colors of. We've got it open here. Next what we're going to do is we're going to go to the color objects list. We're going to open this up and we want to collapse all these colors. So right now we're going to change this gray to a silver. So we're going to go ahead and click the first gray color, then hold control and click the second gray color. And now you can see that we have all the grays selected. We're going to go over to threads. And right now we have the isochord book set up. And so the thread that we're looking for is 0131. And you can see 0131 pops up as we type that in. Go ahead, double click it. It's going to change the color. Then go to File, Capture Virtual Decoration Bitmap, 300 DPI. Make sure that you're in the correct folder that you're looking for here. And then what we're going to do is at the end of the name, we're going to specify the colors, because sometimes they want multiple versions of the same logo in different colors. So 2702 space 0131. And actually, we should probably throw an underscore in there just so you know that those are the thread colors. Go ahead and hit save. And now you're good to update your design proof. Thanks for watching.